Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start right away. Power the Huawei down, remove the case and any cards so nothing presses the screen. Once done, clean the glass and connector area with a microfiber cloth and isopropyl 70%. Next, do a soft reset by holding power for 10 to 15 seconds to force a restart. This clears minor firmware hitches. If glitches persist, boot into safe mode by holding power, long pressing power off, and confirming reboot to safe mode to rule out third-party apps. Now you dig into system settings and apps, open display options and set a stable refresh rate, turn off adaptive brightness and any experimental color modes because unstable drivers can cause flicker. Then make sure to uninstall or disable recent apps you installed before the glitch began and clear their caches from app info. Corrupted caches often create touch and rendering faults. If software residue remains, boot to recovery, power off. Hold volume up and power, and wipe the cache partition. You're at the last stage. Backup contacts, photos, and settings to cloud or PC, then perform a factory reset from settings only if previous steps failed. This restores stock state and removes deep software corruption. Alternatively, connect to Huawei Hi Suite to reinstall official firmware or apply pending OTA updates. This can repair damaged system partitions. If the screen still glitches after firmware and reset, it's likely hardware. Check for liquid damage, pressure marks, or loose connectors and contact an authorized repair center for diagnostics and replacement.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.